Good morning all. In this video we'll be seeing how to communicate with the Sigma Win software for Yaskawa Servo drive, and we'll be seeing some how to use the internal speed reference in the servo pack. For that we need to go to Sigma Win software and communicate. Click on connect the servo pack, then search again. I've used USB cable, so I'm clicking on USB connection and click on search for servo packs. So now I found a drive and motor, so I'll click on connect. So after communication is established, drive is powered on. You can see A.F10. F10 nothing but is your alarm for your incoming supply, and you also find some alarms over there is POT NOT. So we'll just try to fix the basic parameters. For that you go to edit parameters from menu. So after clicking on menu button you get edit parameters. In edit parameters, first parameter will be changing is for your control method. What is the control method I am going to use? I am going to use internal sets control speed with contact commands. Then for input supply I need to go to PN00B and I need to change this power supply selection to single phase, since I am using a single phase connection. Then I need to write to the controller. After that I need to power off and power on, and before that we will also set what is POT NOT. For that you need to go to IO signals. In IO signals you have to either you can bypass this both POT NOT, or you can also configure through pin number 42 and 43 in your servo pack digital IOs. Now I will power off and power on. So after power off and power on, it is communicated. So I am going to give POT and NOT. I am bypassing through my digital inputs. So now you can see BB on the drive. BB is nothing but base block. So in this we will be doing the control method called internal speed reference. For internal set speed we need to use some digital inputs like input select signal 50C, where you will be changing the combination. For that you can use either one of this combination. So you can use pin number 41 for direction and pin number 45 and 46 for your binary combination. So this way I can change the configuration. For if you want to change for this configuration, I need to use this input as IO compatibility. So I will update. So now I need to power off and power on, since I got an alarm called 8.941, which is I have changed some parameters which are some binary combinations. So I have to power off and power on. So after power off and power on, I can see that drive is in BB. So I will give servo on. So once servo on is given, so your display will come to run. So how to monitor what is the operation which is going on? So we need to go to monitor. In monitor we can see some of the IOs. So here I can see I am giving any one of the command 45, and you can see what is the RPM which is running at 300 RPM. This RPM is nothing but which is present in your speed. You have to go to PN 300 group and you can check here what is the speed. So here you can see this is the speed 300 RPM. So now I will try to change the input. So now I change the input. So you can see the RPM is changed to 200. So here You can see when both the inputs are high, this combination will work. When this input is high, that means your first input. So now you can see it is running at 100 rpm. So you can see this 100 rpm. So this is internal speed. So in this speed only the motor is rotating now. But if you want to change the direction, for direction you can use pin number 41. So I will use pin number 41, and you can see the direction of the motor is changing. You can see plus and minus rpm. So if I change the sequence also, you can see the update happening in the monitor window. So I give direction immediately. So motor changes its direction. So I am changing the direction now. So this is a 3 different combination where we can run the servo pack using internal set speed.